Welcome to today's episode of the American Dream TV. I'm your host, Jillian Hewer, alongside my co-host, Sarah Satterley. And today, we are at Reno's iconic National Bowling Stadium, the only facility of its kind in the entire world, also known as the Taj Mahal of 10 pins by the Los Angeles Times. This place has been striking memories and sparking joy for nearly 30 years. Let's go check out the magic that makes this place so special. Let's go. Hey everyone, I'm here today with Chad Peters, the NSB Operations Manager here at the National Bowling Stadium. Can you tell us a little bit about how the National Bowling Stadium has grown over the years and the impact that it has within the Reno community?
Yeah, so the National Bowling Stadium was built in 1995. So we're actually getting ready to have our 30-year anniversary in February of this coming year. Over the years, we've hosted the United States Bowling Congress. That was kind of one of our partners when the city of Reno built this. So USBC is the United States Bowling Congress, and they host the women's and the men's, and now they call the men's tournament the Open Championship, so anyone can participate in that one. And then the women have their own separate tournament. In 2019, we had a remodel because we wanted to add more space for the bowlers and for events down below. This building was built to bring tourism to the city of Reno. Everything we do here is based on tourism and goes right back into the city funds and back to the city of Reno and Sparks.
Can you tell us about any of the events you've hosted or any big events that are upcoming?
We're going to host the RPI, which is the Regional Professional Invitational. The World Series of Bowling will be here in March, so it's a really big deal, and that's a big event for us. In the world of bowling right now, we're pretty hot. We were hosting like 6 out of the top 10 events.
Oh, there's a lot of exciting things coming up especially the 30th anniversary.
Yes, and it's also great for the community, right?
A lot of the public doesn't realize that there's events that are going on almost weekly.
We do once a month. We're doing public bowls as we are today. Today's our holiday bowl. It benefits the Katie Grace Foundation. So we'll offer 2 hours from 12 to 2 once a month to a nonprofit. And then what we do is all the proceeds that we take on that day, we turn around and give to the nonprofit. Just a great opportunity for the RSCVA and the city of Reno to give back to the community, and it just really offers a lot of things. And then same thing when we do our 30th anniversary celebration, like we talked about earlier. It's going to be one of our open public bowling days in February.
And how many lanes are there here?
So we have 78. So we call it the low end and the high end. We have 1 through 28 on the low end, and then we have a center aisle that goes right down the middle. And then we also have 10 lanes downstairs for private parties and different events that we host downstairs. It's called the Kingpin Lounge, named after the movie that was filmed here.
So you mentioned Kingpin. Has there been any famous movies or shows that have been filmed here that the guests may recognize?
Yeah, so Kingpin was filmed here. That was filmed in '96. So in 2026, it's our 30-year anniversary of that. So we're very proud of that, and and we're going to celebrate that. We don't know what we're going to do yet. We don't know how we're going to do that yet, but we're going to definitely try to celebrate that.
What are you hoping that guests get out of some of the 30th anniversary celebrations that are upcoming?
Well, just the fact that we've been open since 1995 and that we are, bringing in tourism. We know that we've brought in over $1 billion in economic impact to the city of Reno and Sparks.
Thank you for sharing with us. It's been a pleasure chatting with you, and thank you for telling the viewers more about the National Bowling Stadium, and hope you guys can come check it out as well.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate you guys being here. It's very cool.
Yes.
Thank you.
Awesome. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for joining us on the incredible journey through Reno's National Bowling Stadium, where the lanes come alive with tradition and fun. As we anticipate their 30th year anniversary, I encourage you to come out, check it out for yourself. And as always, if you're ready to finance your American dream, reach out to me, Jillian Hewer at Prime Lending. Until then, I'll see you on the lanes. Bye.